Welcome back to another episode of Cleaning with Mr. OCD. On today's episode, I will be cleaning out the deep freezer. Now, I've already gotten an early head start on it, and I didn't get the videotape much of it, but I'm going to let you see where I'm at now and let you watch as I do the rest. As you all see, this is the reason why I had to clean the deep freezer out. Today was actually floor day, but had a minor hiccup. Sometime throughout the night, the freezer or the deep freezer decided that it wanted to take a break. It wanted to go on vacation for some strange reason. So it turned off and then it turned back on. And if you notice, it got stuff down here that's frozen and all of that. And I need to get all that out, throw it away, clean it out, and that's what I'll be doing today. So in the comments below, I want you all to tell me what exactly is it that you all use to clean all of this, as well as what do y'all clean inside of there, and also the outside. I normally clean the inside pretty good, but I tend to neglect the small things like I told you in previous videos. And this is the food that did get saved. As you can see that there are some foods like evidence number 1 and number 2 that's not vegan. I didn't know about it being in there, but my wife just recently called and told me to throw it out or to find someone that would take it in. Okay, I'm done. I know in the comments you all going to be telling me, why did you put the food that your wife told you to throw away or give away back in the deep freezer? But I figured I might as well keep it cold until I could find some way to get rid of it, or whether it be by someone or I just take it out to the trash. So I didn't see a point of having it sit out. But tell me, how do you go about cleaning your deep freezer? Like, subscribe, share, and join the family. Bye.